Good morning, students. Now let's understand the third type of sentence based on structure, that is complex sentence. But before we understand complex sentence, I would like to inform you about main clause and subordinate clause that we have already studied. Main clause, it has complete meaning, whereas subordinate clause, it does not have complete meaning. To complete the meaning, it depends on the main clause, that is subordinate clause. Main clause, it has complete meaning, and subordinate clause, it does not have complete meaning. To complete meaning, it depends on the main clause. So I hope you have understood main clause and subordinate clause. Now we come to our main topic, complex sentence. Students, a sentence having one main clause and at least one subordinate clause, and these two clauses joined with subordinating conjunction, then the sentence is complex sentence. I repeat, a sentence having one main clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses and joined with subordinating conjunction, then it is called a complex sentence. Once again, look here, complex sentence. It has a main clause, it means one main clause, and at least one subordinate clause. At least one subordinate clause, it means it may have more than one subordinate clause, but at least one subordinate clause. And both these clauses, main clause and subordinate clause, join with subordinating conjunction. And we have already studied subordinating conjunction. Types of conjunctions we studied in 6th standard, 7th standard and in 8th standard. Subordinating conjunctions, because, as, though, although, that and all WH question words, they function as relative pronouns as well as conjunction if, unless, these are subordinating conjunctions. So when main clause and subordinate clause join with subordinating conjunction, then the sentence is a complex sentence. Now see the examples. Through example we try to understand complex sentence. I met a lady who had a blue umbrella. I met a lady who had a blue umbrella. Now here you can see two clauses. I met a lady. I met a lady. It has complete meaning. So it is a main clause or it is an independent clause. Another, that is had a blue umbrella. Had a blue umbrella, it does not have complete meaning. Had a blue umbrella, it does not have complete meaning. To complete meaning, it depends on the main clause. And these two clauses join with the conjunction who. And who, it is a relative pronoun, function as conjunction. So this sentence, it is a complex sentence. I met a lady who had a blue umbrella. I met a lady, main clause, had a blue umbrella, subordinate clause, and both the clauses joined with conjunction who, and it is a subordinating conjunction, so it is a complex sentence. See the next example. When I reached home, I found the house locked. Now here, when we say I reached home, I found the house locked. Two clauses. I reached home, I found the house locked. And conjunction is used, that is when. So this sentence, it is also a complex sentence. Two clauses joined with conjunction when. This I reached home, it depends on I found the house locked to complete the meaning. And these two clauses joined with when, so it is a complex sentence. Next, he was absent yesterday because he was ill. In this sentence also, two clauses. He was absent yesterday, he was ill. Here, he was ill, it depends on the main clause to complete meaning. So, he was ill, we can say it is a subordinate clause. He was absent yesterday, it is a main clause, and both the clauses joined with conjunction because, and because it is a subordinating conjunction. So this sentence, it is a complex sentence. I repeat, a sentence having one main clause and more than one subordinate clause joined with subordinating conjunction, then the sentence is a complex sentence. Two clauses joined with subordinating conjunction, it is called a complex sentence. I hope you have understood what a complex sentence is. Thank you, students.